guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint the turkey attachment for our gnome set. I'm going to go in first, and I'm going to base coat my turkey in the color Pinecone. And next I'm going to go in with this tan color, and I'm going to use that for the gnome's hand. Next, I'm going to go in with Honky Tonk Red, Daisy, and Florida Orange for my turkey's feathers. And I'm also going to go in and paint his little beak. After I'm done base coating, I'm going to let everything dry completely. And I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker. And I'm going to outline everything. And I'm also going to use that marker to fill in the black on my hat. It's just easier this way, but of course you could go in with paint if you wanted to. Once I'm finished outlining him, I'm going to go in with a number 4 round and the color Cotton, which is Dixie Belle's White is White. And just letting you guys know, we do sell Dixie Belle on our website. And I'm just highlighting everything, following the natural curves of my painting. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.